Hi there, we have one more manipulative to use and it's our domino. We're going to add the two parts of the domino together. Let's use our number bond. You're going to take the first part, which I say the first part on this one is the 5. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first part of my number bond, 5. The second part is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the second part of our number bond. And I said we're adding, so we're going to add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our whole number is 9. Now we want to do our number sentence. We said our first number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start with 5. We're adding plus our second number, 1, 2, 3, 4, equals our whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our whole number, our sum is 9. Now we're still using our domino, but we want to subtract. We said when we added that our whole number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're starting with our whole number, which is 9. Then we're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking it away, which leaves us with our difference of 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference of 4. We're almost done, but we want to put it in a number sentence. Again, we said our whole number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We took away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that left us with a difference of 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this on many dominoes. Pull another domino, add your numbers, and then subtract your numbers.